Hi, my name is Paul Laszlo. I'm the owner of A Chimney Expert and A Vent Expert. I've been a friend of Bruce's and client actually with Bruce for approximately 7 years in a number of small claims. One where I had a business associate that he and I had come to a disagreement in, and Bruce was very knowledgeable in taking apart the handmade contract we had made, not with Bruce, but we had agreed upon a contract, and Bruce was able to guide me and with his knowledge of the law to get through that entire process at a minimal price, I thought. He's also represented me in a couple of, marital affairs, I guess, where again his knowledge and his actual, what I would say, kindness in handling a very very situation, very emotional situation, and knowing how the courts have to work in the client's favor. I always felt that he was doing this almost out of off the cuff, to the point where it's like he did it every day, and it made me very comfortable to have someone take care of my legal obligations as well as issues with this kind of care, is what I want to put it at. He was always looking at you and saying, well, this is how you feel right now. Is it really the way things you'd like it to come out in the long run? And this could happen, and this could happen, and giving me the options where they were needed. And from that guidance, I was able to remain somewhat sane through these processes. It does take a lot of time for an individual when they are emotionally involved in a situation, or they get very agitated, excited about certain things that are part of your life that you think should be okay. And unfortunately, things don't always go that way when two people disagree. And with that knowledge and guidance that I've always felt from Bruce, I've always used him, and I always will recommend him to a client. I also felt that there was one time when I asked him guidance on another matter, and it was something that wasn't his specialty, and he felt that he could strongly recommend another attorney. And so this kind of honesty and the ability to read the situation almost immediately it can only be coming from a man with a great deal of experience. And he's shown that being an attorney can be a reputable profession, and he does carry that profession at a high level. So I would highly recommend Bruce McLaughlin to anybody.